Assalamualaikum. Now we are going to discuss basic terminologies used in economics. Terminologies means the specific words used with reference to economics. Number one is human wants. What is human wants? Human wants means the desire to get and use goods and services which provide utility. What is human want? It is the desire to get and to use what goods and services which provide utility. So human wants is the desire to get good and to use goods and services which provide utility, that is known as human want. For example, you want a book, a student want a book because with the have of when he have a book, he get utility by using that. He similarly that you are using this video, you are watching this video only because you are getting satisfaction by using it. So it is your human want. It is your want. When want is something that with the use of which you get satisfaction, with the help of which you get utility. When you get utility, you will get satisfaction. Now, there are two types of wants: economic wants and non-economic wants. Economic wants and non-economic wants. Now, what is economic want? Economic want is those want which can only be utilized, which can only be satisfied by using money. For example, that you want to buy a car, so you can get a car by using money. Similarly, you want to buy a watch, you can only buy a watch by using money. So these are economics want which can be satisfied only by using money. Whereas non-economics want are those want which do not need money, which can be satisfied without using money. Without using money. For example, love. You can get it without using money. Air. You can get fresh air without using money. So these are the want which you can get without using money, that is known as non-economic wants. Now, human wants are of three types. Number one is three types of human wants. Number one is necessity. What is necessity? Necessity, the goods like food, clothing, housing, which form the minimum requirements to maintain life are called necessities. Means all those things which are required necessary for your life. For example, जैसे कि हम कहते हैं रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान. These are the necessities of your life. So it means food, shelter, and clothes, etc. These are the necessities of your life. Then the second form of want is comforts. What is comfort? After meeting necessities of life, we may use many other things which make our life easier. These are the things which make our life easier. For example, you have a bodyguard, you have a security guard. Similarly, furniture, telephone. These are the example of the things which make your life easier. Then the third type is luxuries. Luxuries. Luxuries are not necessities or comfort. These can only be purchased by the people who have Extra money means the person who has extra money, he can buy the luxuries. For example, a person can buy a car, that is, let's suppose I can say he can buy Cultus, he can buy Mehran, but if he have an extra money, then he can buy Mercedes. Etc. So this is luxury are the things which are only by the people who have extra money. Now, there are some characteristics of wants. What are the characteristics of wants? Number one is wants are unlimited. Unlimited means that wants are too much, too many, that they appear again and again. There are too many wants. It is not possible to satisfy all your wants. So the wants are unlimited. Then we will say that it reappears. Let's suppose that you want to get a glass of water in the morning, and then it reappears at noon. Then you also again want to have a glass of water. Then want will compete with each other. So want will compete with each other. Compete with each other means that, as we know that we do not have the resources, we do not have the unlimited resources, so we need to make a choice. So by making a choice, the wants are competing with one another. Then wants have difference in importance. Few wants are more important than the others. So wants are different in importance. Want changes with respect to time, with respect to place, with respect to fashion. For example, with respect to time, in the morning you need a breakfast for eating, but at night you need dinner. In the morning you need a slice, but at night you need a roti or chapati. So the want changes with respect to time, with respect to place, etc. So these are all the characteristics of wants. Now you need to cite the examples related to 3 examples related to economic want, non-economic want, necessities, comfort, and luxuries. So cite 3 examples related to all these 5. Thank you.